Process of stomatal transpiration. Most of the transpiration takes place through stomata. Stomata are microscopic pores consisting of two kidney-shaped guard cells. In stomatal transpiration, water vapor moves to the stomata of lips. Water absorbed by the roots rises to the stem and reaches the tissues of the lips through veins. A large number of spongy mesophyll cells in the lips have the surfaces exposed to the intercellular spaces. The surfaces of the cells give out some of the water which forms a thin film. The water from this film evaporates and the water vapor forms saturates in the intercellular spaces. This vapor then diffuses into the other connecting intercellular spaces and finally reaches substomatal space from where it escapes out to the stomata. Stomata are absent in the submerged hydrophytes Hydrilla vallicinaria. This is the opening and closing of stomata. Transpiration occurs as long as the stomata are open. It stops when they are closed. In the left side, the stomatal pores are opening. In the right one, the stomatal pores are closing up. This is a flag sheet of guard cells, stomata closed. The right one is closed, but the left one it is opening. There is turgid guard cells, thick cell wall, thin cell wall. The opening and closing of stomata depend upon the turgid or flaccid state of guard cells. When the guard cells are in a flaccid state, stomatal aperture closes. During daytime, as a result of photosynthesis, guard cells have chloroplasts. Concentration of carbohydrate rises, leading to osmotic uptake of water by the guard cells to swell. Since the wall of guard cells towards stomatal opening is thick while outer convex wall is thin, inflow of water in the guard cell causes them to bulge upwards, thus widening the stomatal opening. When the osmotic pressure of the guard cells becomes lower during night, the water leaves these cells due to osmosis and moves to the neighboring epidermal cells having cell shape of higher concentration. The guard cells become flaccid and shrink, and the stomatal aperture closes.